Stereo amplifiers matter because they determine how cleanly your music is amplified from source to speakers, influencing dynamics, noise floor, headroom, and overall musicality. The category spans compact Class D units, feature-rich receivers, and compact desktop amps, each targeting different use cases, from living room hi-fi to computer audio setups and small home theaters. Product number 1. Sony STR-DH190 2-channel home stereo receiver with phono inputs. The Sony STR-DH190 sits at the premium end of this group with a traditional 2-channel receiver form factor, built-in Bluetooth, a dedicated phono input, and the ability to drive 2 sets of speakers via A/B switching. It delivers 100 watts per channel into 8 ohms and supports a broad suite of inputs: 4 stereo RCA, 3.5mm, phono, USB or aux options through Bluetooth control. Its low-profile chassis fits standard AV furniture, and it includes FM radio, a full-function remote, and a robust power transformer designed for clarity across channels. Performance-wise, the STR-DH190's strengths lie in its measured grunt, phono stage quality for turntables, and 2-zone capability, which is valuable for multi-room setups. The user experience benefits from a traditional remote and physical controls with clear LED indicators. Product number 2. AK45 Stereo Audio Amplifier. Docro's AK45 is a compact 2-channel amplifier claiming 300 watt peak and 40 watts plus 40 watts RMS into passive speakers with Bluetooth 5.0, USB SD card inputs, and a straightforward tone and volume control layout. It's designed as a versatile mini-height amplifier suitable for small apartments, home theaters, or karaoke setups, with a simple remote and multiple input sources, including USB and SD for local playback, and FM via antenna. In practice, the AK45 provides punchy output suitable for smaller rooms and budget-conscious installations, with convenient Bluetooth pairing and a built-in EQ-esque control via bass and treble knobs. Its core appeal is value. It can drive passive speakers at a surprisingly loud level for the price, and the inclusion of USB and SD inputs and FM radio broadens use cases. On the flip side, it's not designed for audiophile-grade performance. Channel separation and harmonic accuracy may be limited at higher volumes, and a lack of a dedicated phono stage or high-fidelity DAC options means it's best for casual listening and multimedia setups rather than critical listening. Product number 3. Yamaha RS202BL Stereo Receiver. Yamaha's RS202BL is a straightforward stereo receiver with built-in Bluetooth, 2-channel configuration, and a brushed aluminum aesthetic. It offers 2 speaker zones with a selector, a basic but capable feature set for everyday listening, and a 40-station FM/AM preset tuner. While the price is not listed in the provided data, the model sits in the mid-range of typical entry-level receivers and is known for reliable build quality and Yamaha's reputation for musicality. Performance-wise, the RS202BL emphasizes neutral, listenable sound with a focus on reliability and ease of use. Bluetooth integration allows quick wireless streaming from mobile devices, and the 2-system speaker selector is useful for alternate rooms or setups. It's not a feature-rich hub in the way modern network receivers are, and the absence of phono input in this model, per provided data, narrows its appeal for vinyl enthusiasts. For users prioritizing simplicity, minimal setup, and dependable stereo performance, the RS202BL remains a solid option. Product number 4. Pile 200-watt stereo power amplifier with Bluetooth, dual-channel audio receiver, LED display. The Pile PDA29BU.5 is a compact, budget-friendly 2-channel power amplifier delivering 200-watt peak, or 100-watt RMS with a built-in Bluetooth radio, multiple inputs, RCA, USB, SD, mic input, FM radio, and an LED display. It's designed as a versatile microamp for home and computer audio, karaoke, or simple PA-like uses, with an assortment of inputs and a user-friendly front panel. In use, the PDA-29BU.5 excels at value and flexibility. The LED display makes input and track information easy to read, and the mic input plus EQ-style knobs, bass and treble, and master volume offer practical control for casual venues or home karaoke. However, at the price, expectations should be modest. Distortion and noise performance will not rival higher-end models, and the Bluetooth audio quality is adequate but not premium. Its compact footprint and broad input set make it an attractive all-in-one solution for beginners or budget setups where convenience trumps absolute transparency. Product number 5. Fosi Audio BT20A Pro Bluetooth 5.0 Amplifier. The Fosi BT20A Pro is a compact 2-channel Class D amplifier built around the TI-TPA3255 chip, claiming 300 watts per channel into suitable loads, with Bluetooth 5.0, plug-in op-amps for customizable sonic character, and a slim chassis that suits desktop or small cabinet placement. It's pitched as a versatile, upgrade-friendly option for compact hi-fi or outdoor setups. Performance-wise, the BT20A Pro emphasizes efficiency and customization. You can swap the op-amps to tailor tonal balance, and the device touts a high SNR and very low THD. The Bluetooth 5.0 connection is robust, with memory pairing and a convenient mute and volume approach. Its tiny form factor belies a capable output stage, though true bass depth and room gain handling will depend on speaker pairing and enclosure. For users who want a clean, high-value stereo amp with upgrade-friendly internals, the BT20A Pro is a strong contender.